Russian training, logistic and morale are all lacking, often retreating when receiving incoming fire or getting resources but no clear objective what to do with it. Often receiving massive numbers of anti-tank mines which are being dumped on the side of the road or near the camp without clear instruction where they should be placed. This gives Ukraine's drone operators a major opportunity to take all of them out at once, leaving a weaker defensive line for an upcoming counteroffensive, making it possible so the soldiers probably lie about the event, saying the mines were positioned not to get in trouble for the fate of the mines. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.